Imetame Port Complex will be a major logistical differential, setting Brazil apart in international maritime trade, with an initial depth of 17 meters and with future deepening to 25 meters. It will offer a quality and efficient port infrastructure with logistical excellence, creating new alternatives for long-haul lines and allowing the docking of the largest and most modern ships in the world to Espírito Santo. The construction work for Imetame Logística Porto continues to advance every day. The backhoe model dredge, one of the largest pieces of equipment of its kind in the world, is in full operation and belongs to Imetame Group. The dredging has surpassed the 3 million cubic meters mark, representing almost 60% of the progress of the first phase of the project. The east breakwater, the main protection for the project's maneuvering area, is already approaching its full length of 2.3 kilometers, with over 1.8 kilometers built, and approximately 3 million tons of rocks laid. The container terminal pier is taking shape with the pile driving and concreting of the modules. Almost 200 piles have already been driven, supporting the first 250 meters of this structure, which will have 750 meters of pier in the first phase of the port. The land infrastructure works are progressing with earth moving, drainage, and paving activities for the storage yard, gate area, and access to the project. The earth moving is over 55% complete, with approximately 120,000 cubic meters of cut and fill, in addition to the first stage's storm drainage activities, which are 40% complete, for the construction of the back area. Imetame Logística Porto, making a difference to the world.